Mercury?
One more
No.
person. One person still coming.
Oh, that's good.
What? You need one?
-2.
So, good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for coming today. We can start our meditation practice. Please find a comfortable posture. Sit comfortably. Take a few deep, long breaths and relax your whole body. We can spend few minutes with our body. Relax your shoulders, both of your hands, your belly, legs, and also toes. Relax your whole body. It is kind of warm and beautiful evening. Today we are going to practice meditation. We are going to develop our beautiful mind. Relax, relax. Now we can practice loving kindness meditation. Firstly, feel yourself as your best friend. You are the best friend of yourself. That's why you are here. You want to observe about yourself. You want to develop your good mind. We know, as a best friend, we are always going to take care of ourselves, strong and healthy, mentally and physically. Again, feel yourself as your best friend. Now let's practice self-love. May I be well. May I be happy. May I be peaceful. May I be able to find noble friends. May I be strong and healthy mentally and physically. Wish to yourself and bless to yourself. May I be free from mentally and physically suffering, illness, worries, ego, anger, difficulties. May I be free from all negative thoughts. Self-love is important. It's mean you are always going to take care of yourself strong and happily. May I be well. May I be happy. May I be peaceful. If you want to change your posture, you can do it anytime. Do it mindfully and slowly. Now we can send our loving and kind thoughts towards to your family, towards to your loved ones. Imagine your family members. Imagine their faces individually. If you have any difficult time with someone, try to let it go. Be relaxed, be calm, and send your loving and kind thoughts towards to your family members. All my family members, be well, be happy, be peaceful, may they be able to find noble friends, may they be able to find comfortable and relaxed life, peaceful environment. May they be strong and healthy, mentally and physically. All my family members be free from stress, worries, difficulties, jealousy, anger. May they be free from all negative thoughts. All my family members be well, be happy, be peaceful. Now it is time to send your loving and kind thoughts towards to the world. Right now, we need to send our loving thoughts every day, each moment. In this moment, we are developing our loving thoughts. Your heart is full of love. You are the one of the loveliest person in this moment, this world. All the living beings, be well, be happy, be peaceful. May they be able to find noble friends. May they be able to take care of themselves happily. May they be able to find peaceful, healthy, and comfortable environment. May all the living beings strong and healthy, mentally and physically. All the living beings, be well, be happy, be peaceful. Now it is time to send your loving and kind thoughts towards to your difficult one. Time to practice your unconditional love. If you have any difficult ones or annoying people in your life, think about them. No need to get anger. Just focus them and send your loving and kind thoughts towards to them. All my difficult people, be well, be happy, be peaceful, may they be able to find noble friends, may they be strong and healthy mentally and physically. May my difficult people be well, be happy, be peaceful. Now we can practice mindfulness breathing meditation. Slowly turn your attention to a subtle sensation of the breath. Focus your natural, ordinary breath. Bring your attention to the tip of your nose. Take each breath mindfully. No need to control your breathing, just focus your natural, ordinary breath. Breathe in mindfully and breathe out mindfully. So many sounds, thoughts may distract you. Let them come and go. Just focus your natural, ordinary breath. Breathe in mindfully and breathe out mindfully. When you are breathing, you can see long breath in and out, short breath in and out. When you see long breath, observe I am taking long breath. The same way when you see short breath, understand I am taking short breath. Breathe in mindfully and breathe out mindfully. Where is your mind? Are you chasing thoughts or creating stories? Please come back to the breath. No need to think about your past memories or future plans. Enjoy this moment we call present moment. Now slowly focus you inside. Try to understand nature of your mind. When you see your inside, you can observe your good and bad mind, your skillful and unskillful mind. Be grateful for your good mind, your skillful mind. Try to develop your good thoughts, your spiritual thoughts every day. No need to worry about your unskillful mind. Understand is the important thing. It's mean you can fix them. Make a strong determination to fix your bad mind. Now please bring your palms together in front of your heart. Make a strong determination to practice this meditation every day, at least 2-3 minutes. May peace be with you, all the living beings. Be well, be happy, be peaceful. Thank you so much. So now we are going to chant. We are going to chant Loving Kindness Sutta. You can listen in this chant. During the time you can practice your loving kindness meditation. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Itipiso bhagava arahan samma sambuddho vicca Sugato lokavidu anuntaro purisa dhamma sarati satta deva manusa nambuddho bhagavati swakato bhagavata dhammo sandintiko akaliko ehi passiko panayiko panchattang veditambo vinyo Supatipanno bhagavato savaka sangho Jupatipanno bhagavato savaka sangho Nyaya patipanno bhagavato savaka sangho Yamichi patipanno bhagavato savaka sangho Yadidan chattari purisa yugani Atta purisa punggala esa bhagavato savaka sangho ahuneyo pahu neyo dakkineyo anjali karaneyo anuttaram punyakkentan lokan sati etena sacca vajjena dukkha bhupa samintu te tena sacca vajjena bhaya bhupa samintu te tena sacca vajjena roga upasamintu te karaniya matta kusalena yantan santang padang abhisamenca sakko ujuca sujuca suvaco Anatimane santussa koca subaroca appakiccoca sallabukavunti santindriyoca nipakoca appagambo kulesu ananugendo naca kuddan samacare kinci yena vinyo pare upavadeyun sukino vake mino Sambe santa bhavantu sukitanta ekecipana bhutanti tasavata varavana vasesa digavaye mahantava majjhima rasskanukatula dittavaye Yecha dure vasanti avidure bhutava sambhavesi vasambe santa bhavantu sukitantana paro paranni kubbeta nati manyeta kanta chinang kanchi vyaroshana patigha sanya nanya manyassa dukkhamin Cheya mata yatani ampuntang Manurangke vampi sambhabhute sumana sambhavaye aparimanam tanca sabbhalokasmin mana sambhavaye aparimanam undang adoca tiriyanca asambhadang averang tintan charan nisinno vasayano vayavatasya vigatamindu etan sating aditteya brahma විහාරං ඉදමා වූ දිට්ඨිංච අනුපගම්ම සීලවා දස්සනේන කාමේසු විනය්‍යගේ දන්නයි ජාතු ගබ්භසෙයං පුනරේතිති ඒතේන සච්ච වජ්ජේන උපසමින්තු තේ ඒතේන සච්ච වජ්ජේන භයාවූපසමින්තු තේ තේන සච්ච වජ්ජේන රෝගාවූපසමින්තු තේ සම්බිතියෝ විවජ්ජන්තු සම්බ රෝගෝ විනාශතෝ මාතේ භවත්වන්තරායෝ සුඛී දීඝායුකෝ භව භවතු සබ්බ මංගලං රක්ඛන්තු සබ්බ දේවතා සබ්බ බුද්ධානුභාවේන සදා සොත්ති භවන්තු තේ භවතු සබ්බ මංගලං රක්ඛන්තු සබ්බ දේවතා සබ්බ ධම්මානුභාවේන සදා සොත්ති භවන්තු තේ භවතු සබ්බ මංගලං රක්ඛන්තු සබ්බ දේවතා සබ්බ සංඝානුභාවේන සදා සොත්ති භවන්තු තේ දුක්ඛත්ථයක්ඛ භූතානම් පාපග්ගා නිවාරණා පරිත්තස්සානුභාවේන අන්තු තේ සම්නුපන්දවේ දුක්ඛප්පත්තාච නිද්දුංඛා භයප්පත්තාච නිම්භයා සෝකප්පත්තාච නිස්සෝකා හොන්තු සබ්බේ පිපානිනෝ ආකාසට්ඨාච බුම්මට්ඨා දේවානාගා මහිද්దికා පුඤ්ඤන්තං අනුමෝදිත්වා චිරන් රක්칸තු ශාසනං ආකාසට්ඨාච බුම්මට්ඨා දේවානාගා මහිද්దికා පුඤ්ඤන්තං අනුමෝදිත්වා චිරන් රක්칸තු දේශනං ආකාසට්ඨාච බුම්මට්ඨා දේවානාගා මහිද්దికා පුඤ්ඤන්තං අනුමෝදිත්වා චිරන් රක්ඛන්තු ත්වං සදාති. So now we can chant short loving kindness sutta. I think all of you have this paper. Please repeat after me. Sabbe santa avera huntu sabbe santa abhyapajja huntu sabbe santa anigha huntu sabbe santa sukhi attanam pariharantu. Please chant all together. Sabbe santa avera huntu sabbe santa abhyapajja huntu sabbe santa anigha huntu sabbe santa sukhi attanam pariharantu. Please read English translation. Please read loudly.
May all beings be free from danger and enmity. May all beings be free from mental suffering. May all beings be free from all physical suffering. May all beings take care of themselves happily.
Okay. Thank you so much for coming this beautiful evening. And also it is kind of exciting day for me because after I think 4 months I'm doing meditation program in person. Last 4 months we were doing at the temple, just we three and in front of the phone. And yeah, it was kind of different, and we are planning to open temple from next Saturday. If you want to come, you have to register because we are accepting 25 people. So it is everything getting better, and it is happy to see you everyone. Today I was thinking to share with you very small idea, because most of times people asking us about so many things. I could remember one time I was doing meditation program in Geneva Prana Yoga. There was a young boy and he asked about one question. This question always people asking us about forgiveness, because this is kind of very common question. What do you think about forgiveness? Do you think about it? How you practice it? Not easy, yeah, that's true. It is not easy. It is very hard. Yeah, so it is very important to think, and it is very important to practice. I remember one day I was reading a book, and in that book there was a beautiful story. So in that book, who wrote that book, that teacher says something nicely about forgiveness. We know in this world there are so many people are creating our worry, they are creating problems. So every day they are creating some problem for us. Sometimes it is hard, sometimes it is difficult. So sometimes that problems are like a sky, no limitation. Every day come to our life, then it make us worry, sad, fear, frustration. So I want to ask you this question. We know forgiveness is not hard, it is difficult. So who can forgive for yourself? What do you think? Who can forgive for yourself? Yeah, you are the person. There are no one can forgive for yourself. You are the person. So it's mean we have to forgive for ourselves. So think, there are so many people create problems, but if you are going to change them, what do you think? If you are going to change their mind, how they are think, is it easy? It is not easy. It is very hard. It is very difficult. Finally you are getting exhausted. Oh, I'm tired, I'm enough, I can't help them, because it is very hard. So that's why Buddha said, firstly focus about yourself, think about yourself. You are the one who can forgive for yourself. So that's why this forgiveness practice is very important. Sometimes people asking what is the forgiveness practice in Buddhist teachings, this loving kindness meditation. Also I asked this question so many times at the temple. What is the meaning of human word? Do you know? Human. How you can define this word? I know how to do in my language. How you can explain to someone this word, human or man? Any idea? So according to my language, Pali and Sanskrit, how we can explain it? Among the human beings who can develop, who can cultivate, who can raise their mind up to the maximum level. That's why we all are called human. That's why you all are here, to practice meditation, to understand about yourself. So we are human. We can develop, cultivate, raise our mind up to the maximum level. It's mean we can practice forgiveness. So try to think about this idea. Try to practice your forgiveness every day. You can do it. It is It is not easy, it is hard, it takes time. So, but after you think about it, after you practice it, you will feel relaxed, you will feel comfortable. So try to think about this idea. So thank you so much for coming this beautiful evening. And every Mondays and every Wednesdays we are planning to do meditation here, and Saturdays we are going to do at the temple. So if you want to come, you have to register, because we are accepting 25 people. So thank you so much for coming. Have a beautiful night.